Severity and priority are two concepts often used in the context of issue or incident management, especially in software development or IT support. Severity, this refers to the impact or seriousness of an issue or incident on the system or business operations. It typically involves assessing the extent of the problem and its potential consequences. Severity levels are usually categorized into several levels such as critical, major, and minor. Critical, the issue causes complete failure of the system or significant loss of functionality, affecting a large portion of users or critical business operations. Major, the issue causes severe impairment of system functionality, affecting a significant number of users or important business processes. Minor, the issue causes minimal disruption to system functionality, affecting only a few users or non-critical business processes. This refers to the level of urgency or importance assigned to addressing an issue or incident. It helps determine the order in which issues should be addressed, with higher priority issues typically being addressed before lower priority ones. Priority levels are often determined based on factors such as impact, how much the issue affects users or business operations. Urgency, how quickly the issue needs to be resolved. Risk, the potential negative consequences of not addressing the issue promptly. Priority levels are usually categorized into several levels such as high, medium, and low. High, the issue requires immediate attention and resolution as it has a significant impact on users or critical business operations. Medium, the issue requires attention and resolution soon but does not have an immediate impact on users or critical business operations. Low, the issue can be addressed at a later time as it has minimal impact on users or non-critical business operations. Now, let's go through some examples to get a better idea. Example 1, software bug in e-commerce website. Severity, imagine a critical bug in the checkout process of an e-commerce website. This bug causes customers' credit card information to be exposed to unauthorized parties. The severity of this issue is critical because it poses a significant risk to users' financial security and could lead to legal ramifications for the company. Regardless of how many users are affected, the potential consequences are severe. Priority, now, let's say another bug is found in the product recommendation feature of the same website. This bug causes the recommended products to occasionally display incorrectly. While this issue may annoy some users and affect the effectiveness of the recommendation engine, it doesn't pose any immediate risk to user data or the integrity of the system. Therefore, its priority might be lower compared to the critical security bug, even though it might affect more users. IT system outage. Severity, consider a scenario where a critical server in a company's IT infrastructure experiences a complete outage. As a result, all employees are unable to access essential systems and data necessary for their work. The severity of this issue is critical because it has a widespread impact on business operations, hindering productivity across the entire organization. Priority, now, let's say there's a minor issue with one of the company's internal tools used for scheduling meetings. This issue causes occasional delays in sending meeting reminders to employees. While this inconvenience may affect some employees' schedules, it doesn't have a significant impact on the overall business operations or productivity. Therefore, its priority might be lower compared to the critical server outage, even though it affects fewer users.